Hi, my name is Sanjay Keswani. I am going to touch upon the basics of handling depression and anxiety in view of the current scenario wherein most of us are being affected by coronavirus in terms of mental health. There is a crippling effect on mental health of the people because of coronavirus. There is enormous amount of fear and panic among the people. There is a fear of everything. There is a fear of disease. There is a fear of being tested positive for coronavirus. There is a fear of going into isolation if diagnosed with coronavirus. There is a fear of death. In addition to that, we are also foreseeing economical instability, unemployment, problem in business houses because of financial issues. All these factors are causing tremendous amount of anxiety and depression among the people. Keeping in mind, India is not a very strong country handling depression and anxiety. The data says India is considered to be the sixth most depressed country. 1 out of 22 people needs help from a psychologist or psychiatrist in India. 23 people out of 1 lakh commit suicide in India because of depression and anxiety. Now the biggest challenge is how to deal with this depression and anxiety. There are certain basics which you can follow to overcome depression and anxiety problem. The first and most important thing is that you must be able to distinguish between what is under your control, what is beyond your control. Focus only on what is under your control. Don't fake your feeling. Allow yourself to feel whatever you are feeling. Talk to yourself. Tell yourself it's not your fault. It's not your mistake. Don't feel sorry about the situation. Second thing which you can do is, which you must do, is that you must take care of your sleeping pattern. Sleeping pattern is very, very important. So stick to one time, sleep at the same time, and do not change your time. Any problem in sleeping pattern would definitely cause depression and anxiety. Third thing is that you must have a daily plan, daily schedule. Bring in some discipline in your life. You should fix your evening schedule, you should fix your morning schedule and stick to that schedule. That will give you some structure and self-control in life. Fourth thing is that you have to choose someone to whom you can go and discuss all your problems. That will give you some relief. These are the basics which you can follow to overcome depression and anxiety.